If reality is a programmed construct, then it must be built upon mathematical principles. Sacred geometry, the study of geometric forms found throughout nature, from the spirals of galaxies to the fractals of plants, has long been considered evidence of a universal order. But what if it is more than just aesthetics? What if these geometric patterns are the very code that constructs reality itself? Consider the golden ratio, phi, the Fibonacci sequence, or the Platonic solids. These shapes and patterns appear everywhere, from DNA to planetary orbits. Could it be that sacred geometry is not just symbolic, but a structural framework? An underlying mathematical language used by the programmers of this reality? If the sun emits photons and the moon regulates cycles, then sacred geometry could be the very blueprint upon which our constructed reality is designed. Modern science, in its relentless pursuit of rationality and observable phenomena, has largely neglected the profound implications of sacred geometry, dismissing it as mere abstraction or superstition. Yet sacred geometry, an ancient understanding of universal patterns, holds within it a key to a deeper, intentional design of the cosmos. By ignoring these principles, science limits its understanding of creation to a mechanistic process of blind evolution, disregarding the possibility of a conscious, intelligent design woven into the very fabric of reality. Sacred geometry suggests that the universe is not a product of arbitrary forces or chance, but rather the manifestation of a purposeful, creative intelligence. One that imbues every atom, every galaxy, and every living being with a divine geometry that speaks to a higher order, far beyond the scope of conventional scientific thought. Sacred geometry is the visible manifestation of the divine intelligence woven into the fabric of our programmed reality. A cosmic blueprint that reveals the intricate design behind all creation. It speaks to the underlying magic of existence, where every pattern and proportion serves as a reminder that reality is not random, but a conscious, purposeful construct guided by an intelligence far beyond our comprehension. If all matter is, at its essence, vibrating energy, then sound and frequency are not just sensory phenomena, but the underlying forces that shape the fabric of our programmed reality. In a construct governed by intricate codes of energy, could sound be the primal architect, the hidden force that translates intention into form and existence into experience? Every atom, every particle, every photon hums with an unseen vibration. A silent resonance that dictates its behavior within this cosmic framework. The sun, often seen as a mere celestial furnace, may instead be the central processor of this reality, not just radiating light, but transmitting vast waves of encoded information, frequencies that ripple across the solar system, embedding the very syntax of existence into all that it touches. Could these vibrations act as the algorithmic rhythm of creation itself, dictating the patterns that give rise to matter, thought, and consciousness? If the universe is a programmed construct, then sound may be its core operating system, an unseen yet omnipresent force shaping reality at every level. Across the ages, ancient traditions have whispered of the power of frequency, the resonance of sacred chants, the harmonics of celestial spheres, the encoded geometry of sound waves shaping form. Were these ancient teachings mere superstition, or did they glimpse a deeper truth? If the sun is the great architect of this simulation, then perhaps sound is the primordial language of its design. An omnipresent force that structures energy, modulates perception, and bridges the gap between the seen and unseen. Could it be that every note, every vibration, every frequency carries within it the very instructions that define what we perceive as reality? And if so, who or what composed this symphony?